afternoon, welcome to Handycam. Today we're going to talk about the 5 megapixel IP camera and how to set it up on your phone or your tablet. Normally with the camera itself, you've got to link it to or connect it straight to your mobile phone, and then you can either access the camera directly onto your mobile phone, or you can then allow the camera then to connect up to your router or your network. So today we're just going to show you how to download the app, how to install it, and how to get it connected to your device. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you on the iPhone and then on an Android, and then we'll go from there. So first of all, you just got to, like any iPhone, this one's an iPhone 6. What you need to do is you need to download the app first. So first we've got to go to the App Store, and then you've got to connect up to the App Store. So if you bear with me, it's just going to load, and then what we got to do is search, and then there you go, search. Wait a minute. There you go. There you go. Right, we're going to search. Look up for HiCam. HiCam. So you look up for an app called HiCam, and then you'll see it's a little purple square and with the camera on it, and then all you do is you download it. Because I've already downloaded it, I've got the little cloud icon, but just click the get, and what it'll do is it'll now download it. And whilst we're doing that, we'll do exactly the same on the Android. I'll just log in. So what you do is you go to your Play Store. So just click on there, go to your Play Store, and then all you do is you go to search, and you go HiCam. There we go, and then you HiCam. Sorry, CamHi. There we go, CamHi, and then you go like that, and then there it is. So there it is on there. So all you do is you just go down, install it, and then that will download. And as soon as it's done, we can see what's happening. There we go. Okay, so that's now downloaded on the iPhone, and all you do is you connect open, and at the moment there's nothing to see. So all it'll do is ask you, can you access the photos and everything. I would just say okay. Would you like to send notifications? Just allow. And as you can see, there's no cameras connected at the moment. So what we'll do is we'll just show you on the iPhone first, and then we'll go on to the Android. So basically you've downloaded it, it's there ready to go. All we need now to do is if we just jump out of the app and we get the camera, see the camera's here. Normally on the camera you just get the camera only, but with a kit you get the camera plus a cable and a power supply. All you do is just plug in your power supply, and then plug that power supply into the camera. So what you'll see on the camera, there's a little LED in there that just tells you you're getting power. After a few seconds there will be a slight click in here, and that's the little filter move, so you'll know it's working. So what we need to do is fire up this camera and get it seen onto your on your app. So we'll just get it and wait for it to click and get it ready. So, okay, I'll just get the password again. Here we go. Right. So now, this camera is still connected to the Wi-Fi of the office. So what we need to do first is the camera itself is now going to transmit directly to this phone using its own Wi-Fi. So all you do is you go into your settings of your iPhone, and then you go to Wi-Fi, and then you look for all the Wi-Fi that's available, and you can see there's one called IP Cam, and it is locked. So basically the IP Cam is there you go. It already knows the settings for that, the password. If you go there and forget this network, okay, forget it, and then we do it again. So it's gonna basically reappear. So it's jumped back to its normal router. We'll do this again because it already knew the password. So we click on the IP Cam. So you won't have to do that twice. It's just because I had it remembered its password. So you enter in the password. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's the password, and you just click join, and you'll see it spinning. And once it's done, there'll be a little tick that appears. Now all you do is you click the settings back, or jump back out of it. And now it's connected should be connected to the camera directly. It says no service because we're using it to connect to the Wi-Fi. Now if you go back to your app and then go in and load Cam High, and then all you have to do is then select add camera, and then with the camera, what we want to do is because it's connected via Wi-Fi to the camera, you just connect it up using search camera from LAN. So it should really just see the camera, and as you can see, there it appears there. So you just click it once, and then it pre-fills in all the details, and then you click done, and then what you'll see is it'll come up and it says it's online. Sometimes it says, do you want to change the time zones? You can go yes, and it's just to set up the time zones and get that all right and talking to each other nicely. So then it's all set up, ready to go. Now what you do is you just tap the camera, and then as you can see, there we go, there's the camera, you can see me there. So basically and that's it, ready to go. So it's ready there, and it's recording, and everything's working nicely. So you can just hop out of that, and as you can see, it'll store that on your phone. So every time you want to see it, you can view it, and it's actually fine. Right, on the Android, you do exactly the same thing. So basically we've downloaded the app now. So it should be here. There it is. So the app has appeared there. But what we've got to do is we've got to connect it up to the Wi-Fi. So if you go up to your settings, sometimes you pull down and you just click onto Wi-Fi, and as you see, it's connected to a router. We want to connect it to the actual camera itself. So you can see the camera there, and then again the password is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you connect, and it'll say it's trying to connect. And then once it connects, you'll see it goes bling. It jumps to the actual connecting directly to the Wi-Fi on the camera. So it's now connected to the camera directly. Again, you just go to your Cam High app, you load it up, and then it'll ask, I would allow Cam High to access your photos, media, and so just allow it, and then allow camera to directly access the microphone. Yep, just allow it. It's fine, all pretty safe. So and it just asks you to allow all those things. So right, already here I've got a camera that's connected already, so I can delete that because we don't want that one. So it's deleted. Now, what you'll normally have when you see when the app is loaded, you'll just click on Add Camera, and then you need to fill in these details. But the nice thing with the software is it'll automatically detect it from the connection. So all you do is you search camera on the LAN. You'll see up there's the serial code and its IP address. You just click on that. It'll pre-fill in all those details, and then up in the top right hand corner you just click the tick, and then it'll say it's connecting. So again, it'll talk about the time settings and the differences. You can set and sync with the phone time and get it all 100% right. So the recordings are exactly to the exact date and time. So as I say, you've got the camera there. It says it's online. You just tap on it, and as you can see, there it is live. So see that picture? It's fantastic. And what we'll do is we'll do a little video on how to use the settings of the camera itself, of the app itself. But now you're in full control, and that's the connection on the directly to the app. So I hope that was useful. Later apps, we're going to tell you about the settings on the apps, how to change everything, how to view everything, and how to get everything working, and to get more out of the camera and the technology. I hope this helped. If you like it, please do like this video. Please subscribe to our channel and recommend to all friends and family with this wonderful technology. And I hope this has helped today. And if you need any information or anything you haven't seen, just give us a shout. We'll be happy to help. And please do check the camera out online on our website. And we look forward to you popping back and visiting to see more videos soon. Thanks for watching.